Constitution Day is in just 2 days, and before he heads to Athens, a special guest stopped by OUZ today to speak with students. Mark Kantrowitz focused on 9 cases that were overturned by the Supreme Court in his presentation called Supreme Court Cases That Have Not Withstood the Test of Time. Cases like Plessy versus Ferguson and others were on the lineup. Kantrowitz says he hopes to enlighten students.
College students should know about our Constitution, should know about the law. The law affects us all. It affects you, it affects me, it affects all of your students. And I think if they can gain an understanding of how our nation's highest court rules, I think it would benefit them. And the cases I'm talking about are fairly interesting.
Kantrowitz is in the state as a visiting professor at Ohio University in Athens, and he's also awaiting the publication of his new book entitled Old Whiskey and Young Women, where he discusses famous cases of scandal from the early 1900s. His class in Athens is already getting a sneak peek at the novel as it's their required reading for his course.
I hope that my students will, come away with an appreciation of, our nation's history, our legal history, cases that were some are great mysteries that are unsolved to this day. So, I think they would find that very interesting.
The book is scheduled for release in the U.S. and Europe in October. The Constitution Day program also provided students an opportunity to meet with pre-law specialist Larry Heyman to ask questions about law school, the Center for Law, Justice and Culture, and studying law in the liberal arts.